Georgia, how are you?
I'm really good. I just passed my vort test
Yeah,
for my P's.
You did. So you've moved over here from Mildura way?
Yes.
Yep. How long have you been here?
A month.
Wow.
Yeah.
So real new.
Yep, definitely.
Excellent. So you had some driving lessons previous to coming to prepare to pass,
Yes.
you were saying?
Yeah, I did.
How would you say there was a difference between those and what you were doing here?
Just being able to see how, like, getting instructions exactly as I'm doing it.
Yeah?
And being able to take a drive with the instructor.
Yeah.
And seeing how the instructor drives as well.
That was good, wasn't
That was
it?
really handy.
Yeah. Did you notice a huge difference to the learning style?
Yes. Yeah, definitely. I couldn't have passed without you.
Ah, right. Yeah, well, that's good. I'm glad to hear that because we pride ourselves on our driving lessons.
Yeah.
So you're glad you came here, eh?
Definitely, 100%.
That's fantastic. Well, all the best and good luck in the future.
Thank you.
And it's been a pleasure to help you move on in life.
Thank you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.